Hi, I'm Anthony Chow. I'm the co-founder of Chord Hero. So Chord Hero is a company with a goal to make music learning fun, educational, and most importantly, engaging and affordable for everyone. At BAM Festival 2019, we will be having a workshop which allows family and friends to come together and create their own ukulele set. The assembly of the ukulele can be done at the workshop, and kids can personalize their own instrument and then bring it home, and we'll include an app which allows them to learn to play using a game. And also, I'll be speaking at the BAM Festival, mainly on the topic of music education and how we can help kids to learn better in the 21st century. So make sure that you guys come to BAM Festival 2019 this year for a fun-filled family event which includes music, education, learning, and most importantly, fun.